Hello, and welcome to AIM International's preparatory tutorials for the Information Certification Exam. I'm Steve Weissman, Principal Consultant at Holly Group and a certified AIM training instructor in the realm of content process and information management. I'll be your guide as we review the exam's major domains of expertise, and I'll tell you all you need to know to earn that passing grade. Today's subject is content management, a key part of this special certification, which AIM created to support you as you solve your organization's existing information-related problems and plan for its future. For 60 years, AIM has been the leading nonprofit association helping users understand how to best manage documents, content, records, and business processes. Casual conversationalists and general session presenters talk about content management as if it came in only one form. But there are different varieties on the market that, while they share most of the same capabilities, differ in the details according to the user base being served. This module is one of two in the Capture and Manage knowledge domain, one of 6 within the certification program, that reviews several of these varieties, here including digital asset management and case management. Digital asset management encompasses all non-text-based content, also referred to as rich media, and including audio, video, graphics, digital photos, etc. As such, its variation on the theme is steeped in intellectual property management as much as anything else, as a big part of it has to do with permissions to use the assets, under what conditions, for how long, with what royalties, and so forth. There's a heavier infrastructure component as well, for digital asset files tend to be much bigger than conventional content. Just think about how many more bytes a movie takes up versus a Word document containing the script, and you'll know immediately what I'm talking about. It's important to note that a digital asset includes not only the core content, but also the associated metadata, like date, time, author, rights and permissions, format type, time last accessed, and so on. That metadata usually is managed in the same way as the rest of the metadata in the system. And not only is that where the intersection with regular content management takes place, but it actually makes it possible to search rich media at all, since the absence of text means it's invisible to other tools. Case management may be described as operating on bundles of content rather than individual documents or images. A case, of course, is a compendium of information, processes, advanced analytics, business rules, collaboration, and sometimes social computing that relates to a particular interaction with or issue involving a particular party, like a customer, supplier, patient, student, or defendant. Case management solutions are designed to manage all this to help drive more successful, optimized outcomes, even as they also attend to and secure the individual bits of material contained therein. Now, if this sounds a lot like regular content management to you, you're right. But there are differences, perhaps most notably, case management's inclusion of functions like incident reporting and investigation management. These capabilities involve entire processes unto themselves and can encompass living documents of all kinds that ultimately will need to have content management principles applied to them. As such, they require specialty care and feeding not only up front as information is captured and analyzed, but after the fact as well, when remediation steps are taken. So they represent a distinctly different, if related, breed of cat. As do they all, these variations on the content management theme are important to note because they absorb slightly different combinations of focus and resources than the traditional variety. This is why many vendors have taken to fielding specific offerings for specific purposes, like e-discovery in the legal market, which contains a heavy dose of records management, and HIPAA compliance in the healthcare arena. The areas covered in this module, one of 2 to discuss content management specialties, were digital asset management and case management. This now under your belt, you may next wish to review the one exploring content inventories, metrics, and information and interaction flows. The material you have just reviewed is part of a broader program of study that prepares you to take the Information Certification Exam. This proctored test consists of 100 multiple-choice questions and is delivered electronically by Prometric. You'll have 2 hours to complete it, and upon passing, you'll earn a professional certification that's valid for 3 years. For more information, please visit www.aim.org/certification. Thank you.